Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your phone supports eSIM and that your carrier allows eSIM activation. Once done, locate the carrier's QR code or SMDP Plus activation code. This is essential. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is active so the profile can download. Also sign into your device account and back up current SIM settings in case you need to restore. Now, open the device's cellular settings and choose Add eSIM. To begin the profile, you scan the carrier QR code or manually enter the SMDP Plus details and tap to download the eSIM profile. This step may take a minute. Once installed, assign a clear label, then choose whether this eSIM will be your primary data line or a secondary voice line. This matters for roaming and billing. Make sure to set data and voice priorities in the cellular settings, and then restart the device, if prompted, so the system registers the new profile and connects to the network. You finish by testing calls, SMS, and mobile data to ensure the eSIM works as expected. Make sure billing and roaming rules are correct so you avoid surprises. If you're replacing a physical SIM, remove it only after the eSIM proves stable, but keep the old profile backed up. If things go wrong, first toggle airplane mode and reboot. If that fails, delete and reinstall the eSIM, and then contact your carrier with the AMA/eSIM ID for fast resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.